So Joseph Gray is a young craftsman making durable and stylish school bags with passion and skill. He is the owner of Joseph's Boutique, and he joins me now to talk more about it. Good morning to you, sir. How are you?
Fine.
Okay. You look like a stern this morning, like you should be a school teacher as well as a bag maker. You've been doing this for 15 years.
15 years.
Okay. Tell me how you started. How did you start sewing?
I don't go to school for it. It's a gift from God.
Mm-hmm.
It's a gift from God.
When you noticed the gift?
I noticed the gift from I am 12 years old. I always tell my mommy, say, bring home things like, I always tell my mother, say, bring home magazine, make I cut them out. Mm-hmm. And she always bring them home and I cut them out. And I remember I always making vests, I always doing design and shows. And when I reach 17, 18 years old, I tell my father, say, in Waterford, I want to go to a garment sewing school, but he never have the money to push me at the moment. So I remember when I usually make pom-pom, sell on the road, make a lot of money out of pom-pom.
Did you?
Yes. Mm-hmm. And in that time, reaching up to 19, I give up on my dreams. In 2010 now.
Why you gave up?
I gave up because I never have nobody to push me. So
pom-pom money run out.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in 2010 now, I did back in St. Elizabeth, because I'm from Waterford, Kingstonian. I'm back in St. Elizabeth with my children and mother. Mm-hmm. So I was sawing her, building some hat out of straw. So I turned to her and tell her that I was doing all of this design from I was little. But like how I saw you doing all of this now, I'm going to show you my craft. Mm-hmm. So I start showing her things what I can do. And from that, I just start making all these different things. And I remember I go to my bed one night and I vision see my hand in a pot of gold. Pot of gold, and when I look all around me, it's bare money. The way you throw the money enough, me have to stack it in the wall.
Sure.
And I go back on my bed the day again, and my vision say I was building a bag, a school bag. And just the same as God give me the vision, building the school bag, I get up the morning, which me did have a machine before, building the headbands them. So I use that machine in the morning, get the material, and cut it out. And from that, just the same as God give me the vision, I build the bag the morning same way. And
not one YouTube video, not one class, not one, just the vision.
Just the vision, the gift from God. Mm-hmm. So I don't go to school for nothing what I do. And I build hits on top of hits. And when people ask me, where are you going to get your gift? I say, I don't go to no school for my gift. It's just a gift from God. Because God showed me the gold from sins in my vision, and I use the gold and turn it
into a business. So how long Joseph's Boutique been around?
From 2010.
Okay. But things have really started to pick up now. Since the bags?
Since the bag. And why things started to pick up now, this lady in Spanish Town named T-shirt Boss. I remember last week Saturday, I did in a Spanish Town in the street, I pushed the mobile stand, because the mobile stand can pull down, go into the car back, and I go all over the island and put the bags them on and sell. So she videoed me. So when she was videoing me, she put it up on TikTok, and from there, so everything go viral all over. People calling me in a different state all over. I don't have on to sell school bag. And then Thursday, I hear somebody from here call me.
And here you are.
And I said, TVJ. And I said, oh, you get the number. And she said, somebody give her the number named T-shirt Boss. Mm-hmm. And I call her same time. And I said, but you continue working, man. Mm-hmm. You continue working. That's very good.
Did anybody in your family used to sew?
Nobody in my family.
So you never saw anybody doing it?
I never saw nobody.
It truly is a gift in its truest sense.
The name what I have is the same thing what I follow like the disciple in the Bible. Mm-hmm. gift on top of gift on top of gift. It's a lot of hits because all these bags that you see now, it's not everything come here because every type of bag I can make. Every type of bag
Let's show people
of.
what you said. We talk about Joseph coat of many colors. This Joseph make
Yes.
bag of many colors, right? So I have the pink. So this is like a faux leather.
Yeah,
But you have different style leather.
Different style.
And of course, this would have been good for our Emancipation celebrations. But
Yes.
anybody who's nationalistic can wear the black, green, and
Yes.
gold. This one is a little different.
Yes, that one is a box one.
Box, and this one is what?
The bag
Same
over.
box, but
yes.
okay. All right, but not only that, no. Look at this little clutch here.
Those are
mean-
the clutch, and I have the handbag one them as well with the angle.
Does you have a handbag version to
Yeah.
this?
Yes.
For the folks who love the fluffy, right? You can get and the colors are so vibrant.
Vibrant.
Then of course, pass that one for me, Joseph. Some people love a good leather, not leather, you call it leopard print.
Leopard.
This is very nice. So this is for the lady who wants to just fling a few things in her
few
bag.
things in her
And
bags.
head out her road.
Yes.
All right, let's go over here now. Whose shot is this now? Talk to me about these things now. You don't have to move, Joseph. Just come up on the monitor.
Well,
and tell
those
me.
are the
lunch.
kiddies.
Ah,
Kiddies.
okay.
1 year old, 2 year old, 3 year old, 4 year old. Those are the kiddies one. I have all different colors in those one. All different colors.
Yeah, and the lunch pan to match.
Yeah, and a lunch pan to
You're good
match.
to go. And then more bags over on this side.
Yes.
Dela is going to pick up that for me. More of what you have available
Yes.
on this table
all
right
different
here.
colors. I have black in these, I have purple, I have yellow, all different colors. All
Wow.
different colors.
How long does it take you to make one bag?
All right, I can make 9 bag in a day.
You cannot make 9 bags in a day.
I make 9 bag in a day and plus the night because I don't sleep at night because when I sleep I sick because that is the way in which oh God made me. That is the way in which oh God
But
made me.
you have to
because
sleep, Joseph.
I remember that I get the phone call from Wednesday. I've been working just to reach here.
To fill the orders?
Yes, because people calling me all over the world and I saw me have to run, go deliver all over the place, plus to make for come here.
What a blessing. And it's you one sewing?
Me one, nobody. Me one alone. Me alone and the angel of God.
Well, you don't need nothing more than that.
Nothing more.
Nothing more. But as the business grows now, you're going to need help.
I'm going to need help.
But when you
my
reach that-
girlfriend, Casey, she is the one that pushing me also too.
Yeah. We saw Casey this
Casey Ann,
morning.
yeah.
Big up Casey Ann. Behind every man is
From
a
Spanish Town.
fantastic woman. So how much you sell these for, friend?
$10,000.
And the box ones?
Same thing.
Okay, and what about the clutches?
The clutches them is for $2,000.
Okay, that not bad.
And I have waist bag as well too, and I have Jamaican leather belt as well too. But
It's
I
a
can't.
waist bag.
Waist bag. the
Oh,
one-
waist bag.
And I have traveling
Like
bag
the-
as well too. Traveling bag, and I have Jamaican headband as well. It's a variety of stuff.
Okay.
And my tagline is Joseph Boutique on Facebook. Anyway, you see the JB sign.
Okay. Joseph Boutique, and you're on Facebook alone?
Facebook
Original-
and TikTok, but something wrong with my TikTok page.
Okay, so just Facebook now.
Facebook
So people can order through Facebook?
Yeah, 328-7175.
Okay, 328-7175, and then there on the lower part of your screen is where you can find them on Facebook. This is a fantastic story. You are using the gift in your hand to feed yourself and your family, and big up to T-shirt boss because she give you a serious boss.
Yes.
And now he don't sleep, so if you want your bag, school is coming up in 2 weeks. So if you want your bag before then, Joseph Jim can get back before then?
Yes.
You can commit to turning out the bags before then?
Big up to my children, them, Halloween, Moby, and St. Elizabeth.
I guess I know which bags they'll be carrying to school. Give us the phone number again.
328-7175.
328-7175. Can get your bag made in the color you want it. Pick it up and you are good to go. Congratulations, sir. And all the best to you on your business journey.
Yes.
Yes, good to talk to you. Owner of Joseph's Boutique, Joseph Gray. Fantastic story. After the break, we're meeting a Jamaican-American opera singer. She's in foreign. We'll be right back with that after this. Very nice.